Hey everybody, it's Emmy on the Great Adventure, and as you can see I'm sitting out by the campfire, and I'd love to have you all here with me, but since I can't do that, I'm sitting in these woods about a mile from little ROUNDTOP battleground where they fought one of their fiercest battles during the Civil War. And these trees here are pretty big. I was telling you all about that the other day. And being as I'm within a mile of that battleground, I can't help but think about some of the soldiers that would have sat around their own campfires in these very woods during that time, and maybe pulled out a squeeze box or even an old guitar and sung one of the songs. So this is an old song that I remember singing as a child, and I love it. So join in with me. Shenandoah, I long to see you you rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Away, we're bound away, across the wide Missouri. Shenandoah, I love your daughter. You old man river. Oh, Shenandoah, I love your daughter. Away, we're bound away, across the wide Missouri. Now, I would imagine that there were no golf carts going by at that time, but maybe as the fires were beginning to die down, someone would pull out a harmonica, and these young boys who came to fight a man's war would be thinking back to Mama back home and cornbread on the stove, or maybe it was Grandma praying for them. You old man river, cause I'm bound across the wide Missouri. Have a good evening, everybody. Campfire's almost gone.